Hi everyone. How is it going on? Today we will try to resolve Windows Update error 0x80070157. It will work in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Go to Start. Look for Troubleshooting. Go to Troubleshoot Settings. Come to Other Troubleshooters. Under Windows Update, click on Run. Hopefully this could not help you resolve the issue. So, come to Start again. Type CMD. Right-click and run as administrator. Here, type the command as you can see. These will be on the description too. Press Enter. This will start resolving the issue of update error. May take a little while. Wait until it's done. The first operation 1 is 100% done. Now, simply type this command shown in the screen. It will be on the description too, and press Enter. It has started scanning the system. The percentage you can see is showing you the progress level. Wait for a while. It's also done. Meanwhile, your problem is also solved. Just simply restart the PC and you are ready to go. I strongly hope that your issue has gone and you can now update your PC without any further error. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.